How to change your profile picture on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Click on You located at bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on You, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Edit Profile. And then click on your profile at the top, which is beside Add Status. Then click on Upload Image. After that, you need to select Gallery or Photo. And then select the picture you want to change as. After you've selected the picture, you're good to go. This is how to change your profile picture on Discord mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.